When you have advanced in a project, the drawing stores the blocks, styles, images and layers that you've added to the drawing, even if you have erased or replaced them. Dibac stores these elements in case you need them later, but if you know that you don't, you can tell Dibac to let it all go. This is a simple example of how this works. We have an interior with 3 types of blocks. These blocks are stored in the file and accessible in the Blocks Manager. In addition, these blocks are also included in their respective layer. Now, if I delete in the drawing this block, you'll see that it is still stored in the Blocks Manager. And besides, its respective layer has no content any longer. If I want to get rid of the stored unused blocks and delete the empty layers of the project, I need to use the Purge function. To do this, go to File after deleting the blocks and select Purge. Now select the elements that you want to purge from the project and press OK. Now you can check that the blocks have been eliminated and the empty layers have disappeared as well.